Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML input types. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML input type of number without restrictions. The input type of number defines a numeric input field. You can also set restrictions on what numbers are accepted. The following example displays a numeric input field where you can enter numeric values without restrictions. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document. Here is our document. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed about month input, file input, text input, and password input, reset input, submit input, and so on and so forth. We have discussed about many of these. You can check our previous tutorial on this so you can be able to follow along. There is no any magic in this. You can check our HTML form playlist and also our HTML input type playlist to be able to follow along. So let me quickly create another input type field. So now let's give it a label first. The label we will be talking about is the label for number input types. So let's create number input right here. This number input we are talking about here. Quickly, let's give it an input. We have discussed about all this in our previous tutorial. I don't want to repeat myself again. That's why I'm trying to rush, because I'm trying to do this fast so you can be able to understand it. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. As you can see, we have specified our input type of number. This is the main thing we need right here. Let's save our document and reload our documents. Can you see right here? This automatically pop up because the theory automatically pop up because I've used something like this before in this document. That's why. So right here, this is the default look of our number input. As you can see, it's looking fresh, right? And you can specify any number value right here. And when you click your submit, it's adding to your document. As you can see quickly right here, don't forget you should specify your number right here for it to be able to send. So if you don't specify, it will not send to your document. We have discussed about that in our previous tutorial. Now let's send it. Can you see our number now? See our numbers. So our random number is right here now. So quickly, I'm going to specify another value. Let's specify another value again, which is negative. So let's submit it. Can you see our negative value also? It's random number we are sending. So now again, let's now test it with this thing right here. Can you see we can increase it from here, and we can also decrease it from this button right here. As you can see, the negative also is also decreasable, so you can decrease it and increase anything using this button right here and this button right here. So that's what I want to show you guys. And again, don't you forget, when you write anwar right here, like you are putting text here, when you try to click submit, it will not go because this is having a restriction, default restriction, that you cannot use anything like text here. As you can see, please enter a number. So let's say as you enter a number before you can go. Let's say you write this kind of dash now. This kind of dash, it will not go when you click submit. And also, let's say you write any kind of art symbol or whatsoever, it will not go. Let's give art symbol so you can see that it will not go. Can you see? It will not go. It's only number this one is taking. So when you click submit, it's going. Can you see our number input? So that's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice make perfect. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. And before I go, let me remind you again, in our future tutorial, we are going to discuss about how you can restrict people from giving it multiple a lot of values, random values. We will give it restrictions so that it will be a specific number amount of input numbers they can specific amount of number they can send to our server. So that's what I will show you guys in the next in some other tutorials. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next.